You are going to love 2012 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, passenger airbag, front wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.